Hello everybody, welcome back. It is Thursday, it's my actual day of work, even though I've got a week of annual leave. It's my legit day of work, and as you can see, I'm here on the bridge. And I'm here to bring you folks an update on the Bonny Street, Chapel Street buildings demolition. We can zoom in a wee bit here. We can see Skylar. Chomping and digging away and sorting away. I think today we're going to see a lot of what we saw yesterday. Just a lot of tidying and sorting. And somebody else is saying in the comments, pretty much similar to what I said in the commentary, they are going to they're trying to make a nice solid platform that encircles the whole perimeter of what is left of the buildings, so they can go around the whole thing and pull the higher levels down. Desmond's sort of behind the trees, he's over here, but he's not moving at the moment. And also I've left my little pound shop tripod at home, so yeah, I've done that. I'm saying I've left it at home, it's not in my bag, so it's also probable that I could have lost it. So I hope I haven't lost it, but I could have. I'm hoping it's just on the side of my desk at home. But today is an absolutely gorgeous day. Actually, I think I'm going to just balance my camera down here on the side of the bridge. Just give me a second. No, I don't think that works, does it? It's a bit crooked and it's a bit low down. Never mind, I'm just going to hold it again. I might go around the side because I can hear some noises coming from the joke shop side. So I might just nip around the corner quick, because somebody said they were demolishing there yesterday. The little outbuildings on the back of the King Edward apartments. So maybe they're doing something at the joke shop site. I'm just going to turn the camera off now. I'm going to nip round there and have a look, and if anything's happening round there, we'll be filming round there. If not, I'll come straight back round here. So either way, in one place or another, I shall be right back. Hi guys, so I'm around the corner now, as you can see. Central Drive there. The old joke shop site there. And for your little update on that, the joke shop is well and truly gone, and I did speculate as to whether or not they would demolish that little outbuilding at the back of the King Eddy apartments, and the answer is yes, they are demolishing it. I think we're going to stick around here for a while and watch what's going on here. I think I've got a good angle here. I've got a good angle of the thing. People did film this yesterday though, because somebody told me in the comments of my previous Chapel Street video, they were just like, oh yeah, they're demolishing the back. And I kind of wish I'd checked yesterday when I was, because I did hear noise coming from here, but also I just looked from the front, and I just assumed they were clearing up remaining rubble. So I missed a lot of the demolition at the back from yesterday. I mean, looks like the bit that's attached to the King Edward Apartments, that guy's doing it by hand mainly, but they did that at the Ambassador. If you remember, if you watch my Ambassador demolition videos, the bit of the Ambassador that was connected to the Rutland Hotel, what's it called, next door, they had to like slice that off by hand, because when you're taking a bit of building down that's connected to another one, you've just got to be very careful, because you don't want to trash the building that it's connected to. A bit like the Hearts building, when they were taking the last bit down that was connected to the properties on the other side. I'm wondering if from there I could get a better view from Chapel Street, you know. I might get a better view from the other side. I mean, even walking to the end of here, I'm still not going to get a good view, but I think if I go down Chapel Street I just might get an angle of that view. So I am going to just go around the corner quick onto Chapel Street and peek through the gate and see if I can get a better view. So once again, I shall be right back. But as I am walking round, I'm just going to show you this view of where the joke shop stood. So this is Central Drive, you can see, and this is where the old House of Jokes shop stood. I am walking around all the way to see if I can film from Chapel Street itself, but just on the way there is a quick view of that joke shop. See, 100% gone. Pile of bricks still there, but they are from the extension building that was the back of the old King Edward Apartments. So yeah, that is the view of the joke shop side, and now I will be straight back when I'm on Chapel Street. So as you can see guys, I'm right around the corner now, and I wonder what we can see from this side. That's a bit of a better view. You can see there, that side of the building that's been taken down, can't you? If I sequester myself in this corner here, I'm well away from the gate. We can get a good look at that. Let's go out a little bit. There's a third machine around here. You see, this is why I didn't come around here yesterday, because you could see both Desmond and Skylar that were around the Chapel Street side. So I just thought, oh, there's not going to be anything big going on down there, because both big machines around there. But there we can see a new machine, little Foxy there. Little Foxy's over there. And she's pulling about the back bits of concrete there. I already decided she's a girl. It's about time we had a machine that was a girl machine, because all the other machines so far have been boys. So yeah, here we can see a little bit more of the building, but it just looks like everything's being tidied up now, doesn't it? You can get a good look. You can see the attic windows up there, look. When I was in college, I knew a kid in my college, he said his dad owned that apartment block. And whilst I can't confirm it was either Lionel telling the truth, two things I do know about the kid that said it. One, he owned a Pringle jumper in every single colour, so he clearly wasn't short of a bob or two. And also, he wasn't the type of kid to just spread bulldust basically. He seemed to be an honest kid, not a braggart or a BSer or anything. So maybe his dad did own it. It was quite a random thing to say. Although I don't think there's a ton to see down here, but I just wanted to show you guys around and just show you folks what was happening. If you would like more on this side, and I will film more on this side once we start doing more stuff with the development. If you want to see more on this side, if they start doing something serious to it, I might make it into a full series, I don't know. But for now, I'm going to head back to Chapel Street and see what Desmond and Skylar are doing. So guys, for the final part of this video, and I've moved all around a lot for this video, so I hope you like different views. We're going to get a nice view of Skylar there. He's got his big scoopy head on. And if we just mosey on down here, I'm going to get a good spot to have a good look at Desmond. Desmond's got his dinosaur chomper on. Let's go in a little bit on that. Chomp, chomp, chomp there. Is that a weird angle? Well, not a weird angle. From a filming perspective, is that a weird angle? Because it's just hard to get. I think I'll walk round actually. And I know we have the dreaded blue netting and the water spray, but because the netting isn't that much of a problem. I mean, we can still, we can see through it just fine, can't we? I'll go out a little bit there. I mean, I think that's a great view. It's moving now, look. So come on, let's follow Desmond, guys. Oh no, he's turning around. He's not moving, he's just twirling around. He's grabbing that big pile of rebar. He's crunching it down. Just mushing it all together, and we can still see Skylar there. So yeah, at the end of yesterday's video, we saw the big piece of concrete that all that metal was attached to. Let's just walk around here a little bit. And just peek through this side. That's better. Now he's going to squish all that into a little ball. The water cannon is spraying that way towards the top, but I am getting spray. I very light spray, but I'm still getting spray. Just like residue spray. It's kind of nice. I'm going to step back a little bit now though, because it was getting more and more sprayy. And also, can feel the dust in my throat. There's actually quite a lot of spray coming on me now. I'm going to move a little bit away from it. I think if I'm going to stand there again, I'm going to have to just bring a mask and put it in my pocket, because I've got dust in my throat now. Yeah. I've got, you know, a whole lot of masks that are left over from 2020. Because during 2020, when I was furloughed from work, we were put to work in the food bank, and working to and from work we always have to mask up. So yeah, I still have quite a big box of masks, so I might just pop one in my pocket, and if I come down here again and I can feel that dust in my face and in my throat and in my nose, I'll have a mask to wear. Look at that, that's gigantic. Look at that big thing of metal. And when we were here yesterday, all that steel was in that gigantic ball of concrete what we watched Declan crushing. Well guys, I am going to finish this video today because I've just looked at the time, and with the other bits, this one's got super duper long. But let me know which view you prefer, and let me know which part of the site you prefer and which bits you prefer, and let me know if you like the format where I move around a little bit and give you different views. Yeah, but for now I'm going to say, as always, thank you so much for watching, and I shall see you all soon in the next video. Goodbye.